The preparation before installation and table of contents explanation. Before to installation, please check out the numbers of the parts as shown in the packing list and check the condition of all the parts and components. When you finish the digital inventory of the parts and components and classify them, carrying the mainboard hanging, connecting sleeve, front beam, mid beam, rear beam, front support, rear support, front tommy bar, rear tommy bar, upper column, wire rope, enforcing wire rope, balance weight, safety rope, wire cable, rear overall ledging on the top of the floor or the place which meets the condition of installing the suspension mechanism, laying the hide or low basket sheet, install support, end plate, hoist safety lock and electric control on the ground. 2. There are two parts of field working installation. The installation of a suspend platform needs 2 peoples. Suspension mechanism needs 2 or 3 people. The 2 parts installation can be done at the same time. If you haven't enough peoples for installation, you can install suspension mechanism firstly, and then install suspended platform. You must examine the building roof, where it is suitable for installation and requirements before installing suspended mechanism. Platform installation. Suspended mechanism which is mounted on the top of the building working face is steel structure support for bearing suspended platform and rated capacity through wire ropes. Each suspended access equipment of ZLP 630 and ZLP 800 takes 2 sides of suspension mechanism. The force applied by suspension mechanism on the building or supporting structure shall meet relevant loading requirements of building structure. Front beam, rear beam, in mid beam can be inserted within telescopic adjustment to meet the requirements of the operating environment. Front beam, rear beam, head in a certain range can also adjust. Height adjustment range of 1,150 to 1,800 cm. As required, balance weight in accordance with the number of models equipped with. Hanging agencies shows the chart. 1. Hoisted bodies should be configured to meet K equal to G times B divided F times A. In formula, K anti-tilt safety factor, G balance weight, rear axle load after the stand weight. F. Working platform, hoist, electrical systems, wire rope, rated load, and wind pressure values. Sum. Suspending mechanism is generally installed on the top of the building ceiling. The suspense amplifies, accelerates, and wire rope on the building top, and make installation on a selected location. Installation sequence referred to below information. Front support, front tommy bar, front beam, mainboard hanging, upper column, middle beam, rear support, rear tommy bar, connecting sleeve, rigging screw subbase amplifies, reinforcing wire rope, adjustment wire ropes, rigging screw subbase amplifies, balanced weight, overhanging wire ropes. 1. Will all the parts of a suspension mechanism to the building roof mirror the length of the building and write the detailed data? 2. First, we'll insert the front tommy bar information, front support, adjust the height of the front tommy bar information, and make sure the top of the front tommy bar is higher 30 cm than the height of the parapet. Fix the boss of front support and front tommy bar. 3. We'll install the main hanger plate in the front axle side. Adjustable support added to the front beam slot, then installed on the pillars of the former regulation at the top. Insert axis and the safety pin insert pin hole fixed good. 4. One person will front beam, again to front beam insert in the middle beam, the other side and rear beam link. 5. Adjustable the distance of front support to 4.6 meter. Install rear beam and middle beam, the axis, the store, the safety pin fixed good. Use the same way to fix the rear. Support and rear tommy bar. The height of the rear tommy bar is lower 5 to 10 cm than front tommy bar. 6. According request of the construction, shall front support installs meet location of the conditions, adjustment front beam and rear support, the between distance, the scope of the regulation C table. ZLP 630 suspensions platform with weights. 7. Weight reference tables. With wire rods entangled in the main board hanging from beam on chicken hard block. Use clamps clamped with the steel wire. The steel wire clamps open the mouth toward the stressed steel wire direction. Attention! The first steel wire clamps must approach the chicken hard block. Then twist the upper nut with spanner tie knot, properly compressing steel wire diameter first 2 to first 3. Second rope clamps installs and the first rope clamps in distance, maintenance at 10 cm. The third installs at second seam. Between the fourth rope clamp and the third rope clamp, non-stressed steel wire should have little security curved arch and a third rope clamp between a distance of 10 cm. Use spanner screwing tie knot. 8. Will install finished reinforcing. Wire rope installs main board hanging through upper column turns through fixed in screw buckle. 9. Use this rigging screw to tension the reinforcing wire rope. 10. Use same method installs another side hanging agencies. 11. Insecure the steel wire rope install the spacing board to fourth wire rope approximately 30 to 40 cm. 12. We work the wire rope and the security uses the steel wire rope installs the main board, head installs the safety pin fixed good. 13. Adjust construction surface length to each warp. Heading agency's designing position adjustment. Heading agency's distance should compare to working platform length long 20 to 30 cm. 14. Adjust heading basic specifications and carrying capacity. On a rear support, increase balance weight. Balance weight each 25 kg. Low balance weight quantity should with swinging radius and front, rear beam distance and hand load carries on the computation. Please reference next table. ZLP 630 suspensions platform with weight reference tables. 15. Hand steel wear time should be wire rope free on the floor. When wire rope on the other side carefully extract after long wear surface, slow downward. Refuses with the steel wire rope entire plate downward, throttling. Wire rope laying down fishes should wheel the ground an unnecessary wire rope. The plate good grip tight, do not willfully immerse in the ground. Heading agency's installation and attention matters. 1. Install the ground should choose the level. If it has inclined time, should in the down use wood block reliable pad, leveling, and wheel the front. Rear supports use wood wedge widening tightly fixed. In the fitting surface is the waterproof. Heat insulating layer time should in front rear supports round pad 2.5 to 3 cm thick plank preventing damage waterproof heat insulating layer. 2. May adjust hanging supports adjustment support altitude should cause current underneath side slightly lower than parapet work and other obstacles highly impossible situations should in hiding agency's localization. The after in front being extends underneath the terminal side and parapet work between filling up long fixed good. 3. From being swinging radius is all trigger of the adjustable ZLP 630 for 0.5 to 1 to 3 cm. ZLP 800 for 0.5 to 1.5 cm. Surpasses the rating has the elongation time. Must adopt reliable strengthens the measure and reduce the rate load. and responsibility department confirmation may use. 4. Adjustment and reinforcing wire rope the time should cause from being slightly upwarping 3 to 5 cm. Production pre-stressed enhanced from being intensity. 5. Clamps from clamping wire ropes should be not less than 3 with their U openings in the offside of the rear end of the wire rope and all in the same direction. Fasten the clamps one by one from the suspended point and make the wire rope to arc slightly between the last clamp and its engineer one. Fasten the clamp screws until the wire rope is fastened to first 2 to first 3 in diameter. Working platform installs. Screw connection type. Platform installed order. Working platform should at the near be hoisted platform, the location where surface location of the whole installation. The first working platform parts of the numbers conduct an inventory and in accordance to the construction of size determining the work platform. The left now to 3 meters platform the installs as example. 1. The choice of the smooth ground. 2 people will lower basket on the relay onwards on side. High basket in the 1 positions. All parts display good. 2. Will rear form real distinction. Use M12 120 screw and 1 hoist mounting frame connects good. Attention hoist mounting frame installs when safety lock installs support facing platform outside. 3. 2 people put bottom plate from another side push into platform. Use M12 130 screw put bottom plate and rail connects. 4. Use similar method installs another hoist mounting installed frame. 5. Fastening all screws. 6. Use M10 to 120 screws with hoist installed in hoist mounting frame, then inserting axis and with safety axis installed good. 7. With safety lock installed in safety lock support. Pedal arm must face the work platform inside. Again, will limit switch mounting card installed good. 8. Use similar method installed another end part. 9. Connection good power source. After experiment hoist weather normal. Limit switch weather normal control on. 10. Distinction with safety use wire rope and work wire rope. Input safety and hoist inserting hole in. Work platform install adjustment matters needs attention. 1. Should choose smooth ground as for install surface. 2. The base is flexible with the corresponding position. Preloaded after the entire platform framework should be straight. Cannot have significant distorted. 3. Uniform fastening all connecting bolts. Cannot have loose or tight virtue. 4. Safety lock suspends the arm must be enabled to safety lock block position. 5. Platform actual movement direction must bottom making downward direction consistent.